events, you can now request an in-office automobile appointment on our website. Please visit www.hctax.net and find the auto transaction appointment button in the middle of the homepage. Select your transaction type and complete requested information to receive a confirmation email. Our call center is open and ready to serve you. We are experiencing extremely high call volumes, but we'll do our best to minimize your wait and get to your call as soon as possible. Thank you for calling. We appreciate your support and understanding.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling the Harris County Tax Office of Van Harris. My name is Bailey. How may I assist you today?
Yes, hi. I'm trying to register my vehicle in the proper under the proper class. I'm trying to see if I can get you to help me because I just got off the phone with the DMV and then the regional office, and then they directed me to you guys and see if you guys can get this cleared up for me.
Okay.
Okay, because my vehicle was once registered as a passenger truck, and I let the registration expire due to the fact that it was not registered under the proper class. And I've been studying the registration manual for a couple of years now, and I'm trying to see if I can get it registered as a passenger vehicle opposed to a passenger truck as it was registered. And if so, what do I have to bring in, or what are the process or the protocol that I have to go through to get it registered as a passenger vehicle?
Okay. Do you have the VIN number or plate number of the vehicle?
Yes, I sure do.
Okay.
One second. Okay, are you ready for it?
Yes.
Oh, that's not it. Okay, it's Jane.
What's the year and the make?
1999 Toyota 4Runner.
Okay. Okay, just give me one moment.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much for holding.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so the way it is registered, that is the correct way, where it says passenger truck.
You see, the problem with that is we're in the truck types, okay? This is the Texas Motor Vehicle Registration Manual, okay? Truck types. The term truck means every motor vehicle designed, used, or maintained primarily for the transportation of property, including any passenger vehicle reconstructed for delivery purposes, okay? Including any passenger vehicle, okay? Reconstructed. Passenger vehicle and a truck are not the same, okay? Unless it's reconstructed, all right? Take y'all through a lesson real quick. Now, I'm going to show you what we're up against. This is plausible deniability at its best. Alright? Certain vehicles manufactured of special design may register at owner's option. Okay? Now y'all going to hear her state that there's no other option. Alright? Check it out. Either as a commercial vehicle or as a passenger car, depending on the intended use of such vehicle. Okay? Commercial vehicle or passenger vehicle. Alright? Passenger car, passenger vehicles, all the same. Okay? Now, SUVs, okay? Sports utility type vehicles and vans manufactured with windows on both sides back of the front doors designed for transportation of persons, but may have features of a commercial vehicle or classified passenger truck. Alright? and registered with either passenger or truck registration classification. Some examples of sports utility vehicles may include the following. All right. This will be mine. All right. Now, if a van or panel type vehicle has no side windows or windows only on one side back of the front doors, and the vehicle operates as a commercial vehicle, register the vehicle as truck registration classification. All right. Now, she just stated that my vehicle was registered as a truck. Okay. Vehicles designed by the manufacturer for optional, again, optional registration classification must include a carrying capacity on the registration receipt and application for title. If registered as a commercial motor vehicle, show the vehicle class as what? Passenger truck. As she stated that my vehicle was registered as a passenger truck, so therefore it is considered as a commercial motor vehicle. Okay? This is the problem. Okay? Check it out. Y'all read on.
You say it says passenger truck, correct?
Correct.
Okay. See, that's the problem I'm having. Excuse me. Because as per the registration manual, if it's registered as a passenger truck, then it's considered as a commercial motor vehicle. And a passenger vehicle is not. I have the registration manuals and all the codes. So that's the whole problem that, I've been trying to, figure out is that they directed me to you guys and said that you guys can help me out. And according to the registration manual, if it's registered as a passenger truck, then it's considered as a commercial motor vehicle, and that I am subject to the commercial regulations. And I am not, so I'm
So
trying.
it's not commercial. It would just be the 7625. Not unless you have a business.
She said business, right? Now, let me show you. It's proof that they believe and they assume or they presume that you are in business. Now, again, certain vehicles manufactured of special design may register at owner's option, either as a commercial vehicle or as a passenger car, depending on the intended use, of such vehicles. All right? The term use. Let me show you guys. Use. Act of employing everything or state of being employed. Okay? Application. As the use of a pen or his machines are in use. Alright? Again, it's all dealing with employment. Alright? She used the term business. Let's go there. Business. Employment. Okay? Occupation. Profession. Commercial activity engaged in for gain or livelihood. Okay? Jeez. How is it that she do not know none of this stuff? And let's just say if I was in business, or doing business, and I somehow get pulled over by a traffic enforcer, okay, and they try to citate me for a speeding ticket. Okay? Speed signs are for commercial drivers, okay? Alright. People that's operating for hire. Okay? Here's the proof. The department shall erect and maintain on the highways and roads of this state appropriate signs that show the maximum lawful speed for who? Commercial motor vehicles. Okay? And if your vehicle is registered as a passenger truck, then it is considered as a commercial motor vehicle. Okay? truck tractors, truck trailers, truck semi-trailers, and who? Motor vehicles. That will be the non-CMV. Okay? Engaged in the business. Okay? We all know what business means, right? Engaged in the employment or occupation or profession. Okay? Or commercial activity. Okay? Of transporting passengers for what? Compensation or hire. Buses. Need I say more?
Okay, and I understand all of that. However, if my registration, if the receipt that I received from you guys, and if it states that it's registered under the passenger truck, then it will be considered as a commercial motor vehicle per registration manual. This is not what I'm saying.
Okay.
And if that's the case, then it says that I have an option to register it as as a passenger vehicle. So it's supposed to state passenger vehicle opposed to passenger truck, and that's what I'm trying to get my title or registrations to say.
Okay, one moment.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much for holding.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so in our system, that's how it is put on in the system as a passenger truck.
Okay, but wouldn't that be a problem if the manual states that we have an optional to register it as a passenger truck or a passenger vehicle?
So that's the Texas DMV manual, so you have to get in contact with them. But in the system, it is registered as a passenger truck, a regular vehicle.
Again, what is a non-CMV? Non-commercial motor vehicle, or non-CMVs, or those that do not meet the definitions or requirements set forth by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration and the United States Department of Transportation, the DOT. These vehicles may be used, okay? May be used, okay? May be employed, okay? May be used only for transportation purposes, not for commerce. All right? An example would be an SUV, van, or car used by a driver merely to transport members of their family without intending to make money through its use. All right? Now, even though you may not be making money during your usage, you still could be in the business, okay, transporting members of your family, okay? Business, commercial motor vehicle. Now, a commercial motor vehicle, CMV, refers to any vehicle used for business, okay? What is business? Employment, occupation, okay? Refers to any vehicle used for employment or commercial purposes. Now, again, if my vehicle is considered and classified as a passenger truck, then it is classified as a commercial motor vehicle. Okay? And if that's the case, if that is the case, then they're presuming that I'm in the business of transporting passengers. Okay? It's all a presumption, being the fact that I am registered as a passenger truck. And a passenger truck is subject to the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations. Now let's take a look at passenger plates, okay, for passenger vehicles. Vehicles to be registered with passenger plates. Passenger license plates are issued to the following types vehicle, okay, which contain living facilities, motorhomes, permanently mounted camper units. Okay, we have none of these, all right? But here's where it's get interesting at. Truck tractors, conversions that have fully self-contained accommodations for human habitations will be classified as a motorhome and registered as a passenger vehicle. Okay? provided the vehicle will not be operated for commercial purposes. Such truck-tractor conversion may only pull a recreational vehicle. Okay? When converted, truck tractors are used for hire or to pull trailers that represent, they use either term, commercial entities. They are subject to the laws for commercial vehicles and should be registered with the appropriate license plates. Okay? Now, again, the lady states that there is no option, but there is an option to register your vehicle as a commercial motor vehicle or as a passenger vehicle. Okay? Station wagon, sports utility vehicle, and suburban type vehicles are usually classified by the manufacturers as passenger vehicles. Okay? Passenger vehicles, provided that they will not be operated for commercial purposes. Alright? Now, note, at the time of application for a title and registration, it is the owner's responsibility to inform the county tax assessor collector's office that the vehicle will be operated for commercial use. Again, the word use. Operated for what? Employment. Okay? If the vehicle displaying passenger license plates is stopped by law enforcement for a violation and is operating for hire or for commercial purposes, fines could be imposed, in addition to fees and penalties for improper registration of the vehicle. Again, if you have a vehicle outside, parked outside of your house, or your apartment, or whatnot, look at your license plate, and it is a passenger license plate. Alright? And it just so happened you get stopped by the police officer for a violation, and you are operating for hire or for commercial purposes, fines will be imposed. Okay? In addition to fees and penalties for improper registration of the vehicle. So this is why I'm trying to properly register my vehicle.
Okay, again, so you guys register the vehicles, correct?
Yes. So you submit your paperwork here, and then it gets sent to the state. And once it's verified, then they go ahead and issue out a title.
Are you acclimated in any way with the registration manual?
No, so it's just processed through here, and that's it.
Right, so you're saying the only option I have to register my vehicle is passenger truck?
Yes.
And would you testify to that?
Yes, sir. So that's what it says. If you do have any questions about it, I can provide you with an email.
Okay, with who? To who, if you don't mind me asking?
It's going to be the same to the Harris County Tax Office.
So it's a DMV directed me to you guys. And you're saying that there's no option for a passenger vehicle, even though that the motor vehicle registration manual stating there is. Correct?
Yes.
And what is your name?
Violet.
Violet? Okay, Violet. All right, thank you.
No problem. Anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that'll be all.
Okay, thank you for calling. Have a good day.
All right.
Bye.